Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily make enemies disappear behind walls in your 2D Unity games, using only built-in tools, no coding required. Let's jump straight into it. Before we start, here's my setup. I have a single sprite as the background, and some enemy characters moving around. The problem is, I want to hide the enemies when they walk behind walls in the background, but I don't want to slice the background or create new wall sprites. So, how can we do this? The answer: use Unity's built-in Sprite Mask. Let's jump in. First, we'll create a simple shape that acts as our hidden wall. Right-click in the project panel, go to Create, Sprites, Square. This gives us a basic white square we can shape however we want. Adjust square size and position to fit the wall. Add more sprites to fully fill the wall. Now we will add Sprite Mask component, select all sprites, click Add Component, and search for Sprite Mask. Set the Sprite Mask sprite to the same square. Now, select your enemy. Find the sprite renderer, and change the mask interaction from none to visible outside mask. This tells Unity, only show the enemy when it's outside the mask. And just like that, whenever an enemy walks behind a wall area, they will disappear, without needing to change your background sprite at all. Remember that character who didn't interact with a mask won't be affected. Simple, clean, and super effective. If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button, and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. And comment below if you're making a 2D platformer, RPG, or something totally unique. I'd love to hear what you're building.